Can I do it?
Alright, first one to get to that tree. See that tree down there? First one to get to the tree. No, that one down there. 1, 2, 3, the third tree. Ready, set, that way. Go. I think you win. You win, yes?
Yeah.
Yeah, well you have to. You crashed. What happened over there? They're having a party. That was close, no. Sorry man, how did I go? I dropped the gas.
Okay, I was like, oh.
It was a guess. I had to drop the gas so the props don't keep spinning. But normally when you're going to land, you just gently... See what? You hand launch it. You hold it. We're still recording.
I don't hand launch it.
That's it.
Hold it in your hand, nice and open.
Gently.
Have the
hold it out
orange
in front of
propellers facing where you want to go.
Like that, there you go.
Ready, set, go.
Give it to your dad. Give it to your dad.
He's alright. Thanks, son. That's the battery that died then. You've done a good job.
Take your side. Yeah.